is SD Jain Model School. I request all the participants of SD Jain Model School to come and sit in team as Team Alpha. Who are qualified for the final round is Reliance Foundation School. Alpha. Please come and sit in team as Team Beta. The third school is AMNS International School. You are Team Gamma. And the fourth team is SBR Maheshwari Vidyalaya. You can take up the mic and introduce yourself, all of you. Tell 3 things: your name, class, and school.
My name is Priyanshika Sharma. I'm from SDJ Modern School 7th class, and I'm really liking the experience that I'm having right now.
I'm Raghav Kedia from SDJ Modern School from 9th standard.
I am Madnan Biyani from class 10 SDJ Model School.
I am Prashant Kotani from SDJ Model School class 8. Give a round of applause for Team Alpha. Team Beta, please introduce yourself. I'm Devika from class 7. I'm Devdeep Das from class 7, Reliance Foundation School.
Myself, Ved Patel from class 10, Reliance Foundation School. I really appreciate the whole SBI Maheshwari team for organizing this event.
I am Kalp Shah, 9th from 9th standard and RFS. Thanks for
I am Shraddha Hireman from class 8 from Reliance Foundation School.
Give a round of applause for Team Beta.
I am Shri from class 9 AMNS International School.
I am Adhar Tripathi from 7th AMNS International School.
I am Neeta Agrawal from grade 8 of AMNS International School.
I am Soumya Patel from class 10 AMNS International School.
A round of applause for Team Beta.
I am Dharan Jain from 8th standard SBR Maheshwari Vidyapit School.
I am Gautam Meghani from 9th standard SBI Maheshwari Vidyapit.
I am Randeep from class 10, SBI Maheshwari Vidyapit.
I am Pulkit Rani from class 7 SBR Maheshwari Vidyapit School.
Team Beta. Now, at the score on the table, we have scorer 1, Ms. Renuka Gandhi. Scorer 2, Ms. Vandana Patel. Scorer on the board is Mr. Vinod Singh. As a timekeeper for each round, we have Mr. Kishore Bolke. And IT in charge, we have Mr. Daniel and Mrs. Aditi Shah. So let's begin the quiz without any delay. I call on the stage for round 1 quiz master, Mrs. Preeti Kothari.
A very competitive morning to everyone. I, Preeti Kothari, will be your quiz master for round 1. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the schools who had given their 100% to reach to this level. And also, I would congratulate The time has come where brilliance will collide with knowledge and definitely mark our history today. Indeed, each participant here is a testament to the power of curiosity and the endless pursuit of understanding. So now as we embark on this lively journey, let's understand the rules and regulations of round 1. The name given to the round 1 is Quiz Torsion. Here comes the rules. In this round, each team will be asked 4 direct questions. Every team has to answer the question in 2 minutes. No negative marking and no question will be passed to the other teams. So please take a sigh of relief. So now without any delay or dawdle, let's start with Team A, that is Alpha Team, with question number 1 for this round. The first question is here. Tanya and Priya left town P and travelled in opposite directions to town Q and town R respectively at 7:30 a.m. Tanya was travelling at a speed of 68 km per hour, while Priya was travelling at a speed of 52 km per hour. How far apart are they at 9:30 a.m.? And your time starts now. Yes, the answer is correct. 240 kilometers. Excellently answered. The next question is for Team B, that is Beta. The fluid contained in a bucket can fill 4 large bottles or 7 small bottles. A full large bottle is used to fill an empty small bottle. What fraction of the fluid is left over in the large bottle when the small one is full? Your time starts now.
By 7.
Yes, it's correct. The answer is 3 to 7 and you are awarded with 20 points. Even Team Alpha, who got the answer correct, was awarded with 20 points. The third question goes for Team Gamma. Shiva went to the market and bought an iron sheet. Using this sheet, he made a cylindrical tube open at both ends. The outer diameter is 16 centimeter and its length is 100 centimeter. Find how many cubic centimeter of iron has been used in making the tube in terms of pi if the iron sheet was 2 centimeter thick. Your time starts now.
The answer is 6,400 pi centimeter thick.
Sorry, the answer is wrong. The answer is 2,800 pi. So you will not be awarded with 20 points. But don't worry, you don't have to worry as we don't have negative marking in this round. The next question is for Team Delta. In the morning batch at a school, we have observed that when 5 students took seat on each bench, 4 students remained unseated. But when 11 students took seat per bench, 4 benches remained vacant. The numbers of students in the morning batch were, your time starts now. The answer is 44. Yes, it's absolutely correct. Again, the turn is of Team Alpha. Your question is, Amar wrote exams in 4 subjects, physics, chemistry, biology and social studies. The ratio of marks he got in these exams was 2:3:4:5. He got an aggregate of 70% in these exams. Each exam had the same maximum marks, in how many of these exams did he get more than 50%? Your time starts now.
Three subjects.
Great, it's correct. You got 20 points in your account. The next question is for Team Beta. A swimming pool is 24 meter long and 15 meter broad. When a number of men dive into the pool, the height of the water rises by 1 centimeter. If the average amount of water displaced by one of the men be 0.1 cubic meter, how many men are there in the pool? Your time starts now.
The answer is 100.
Sorry, you guessed it wrong. Better try next time. The answer is 36. The next team, Team Gamma, your question is, a trader marks his goods at 20% above the cost price. He sold half the stock at a marked price, 1/4 at a discount of 20% on the marked price, and the rest at a discount of 40% on the marked price. Find his total gain. Your time starts now. Time is running out. Be fast.
We believe the answer is 2% gain.
Absolutely correct. 2%. Open the account with 20 points. The next question is for Team Delta. The question is, a tank is fitted with two taps, P and Q. P can fill the tank completely in 45 minutes and Q can empty the tank in 1 hour. If both the taps are open together, then in how much time the tank will be filled? Your time starts now.
The answer is 3 hours.
It's correct. 3 hours or 180 minutes. 24 points to Team Delta. Now the third set of questions again will start with Team Alpha. Your question is, a semicircle MON is inscribed in another semicircle. Radius OL of the largest semicircle is 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region given. Your time starts now. Waiting for your answer. Few seconds left. Be quick. Sorry, the time was up. The answer is 14 centimeters square. The next question for Team Beta. In the displayed figure, ORSQ is a square. RT equals to 1 centimeter and OQ equals to 6 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region given. Your time starts now.
The answer is 77/2 or 38 minutes.
Sorry, you guessed it wrong. Never mind, the answer was 2.5 centimeters square. You will not be awarded any point for this question. We move on with our third team, Gamma. In the displayed figure, AC equals to 120 centimeter, AF equals to CD equals to 40 centimeter, and ED equals to 20 centimeter. Calculate the area of the shaded region of the given diagram. Your time starts now.
We believe the answer is 2,800 centimeters square.
Excellently answered. 20 points awarded once again. Now the next question is for Team Delta. In the displayed figure, PQRS is a square. Find the area of the shaded portion.
फिर क्वेश्चन आ गया अब वो आंसर करेगा फोटो के तो पीछे जा सकते लेकिन ये नोट पे फोन करेगा आंसर तो समझे ना अभी देखो मैम ने बोला फिर क्वेश्चन लिया तो बच्चा जो आंसर सॉल्व करने की जरूरत
The answer is 150 meters square.
Excellently answered. Once again, 20 points to Team Delta. The third set of questions again, Alpha. It's your turn now. The four sides of this figure given will be folded up and taped to make an open box. What will be the volume of the box? Your time starts now.
Answer is 50 centimeter cube.
Great! This time you got 20 points. The next question for the next team, Beta. Now it's your turn. The question is, the average age of 20 employees in a company is 35 years. One employee aged 20 years left the company, but two new employees come in his place whose ages differ by 5 years. If the average age of all the employees remains the same, then find the age of the younger employee who recently joined the office. Your time starts now. Waiting for your answer.
We believe the answer is 25.
Never mind, we got the answer. It's 25 and finally you got 20 points also. Now, it's the turn of the third team, Rama. The question is, the area of adjacent faces of cuboid is 30 centimeters square, 20 centimeters square and 24 centimeters square. Find the volume of cuboid. Your time starts now.
The answer is 120 centimeter cube.
Great! The answer is correct. 120 centimeter cube and with this you got 20 points. Now the last question of this round. Naman has 10 matchsticks of equal length. He wants to join all of them in such a way that they make a regular polygon. At what internal angle he has to join matchsticks with each other. Your time starts now.
good morning, everyone present here. First, I want to say, Team Alpha and Team Delta, if you want to readjust yourself to see the display above, that if you are having problem looking into the display side, you can readjust yourself. You can even take the bench to the right. No problem, please. Perfect. Are you ready? Ready, Team Alpha, Beta, Gamma and Delta? This is Geeta Ghai. I am the quiz master for round 2. Round 2, the name is Puzzlers. The Puzzlers. Let's see the rules of this round. This round, each team will be asked 4 multiple choice questions turn-wise. Every team has to answer the question in 1 minute. Each question carries 20 marks. No negative marking. No passing is allowed. Ready all? Let's begin with the first question, Team Alpha. Identify the order of rotational symmetry for the given figure. You can see the figure above. And the options are A1, B2, C3, D4. Time starts now.
The answer is the option 3.
Sorry, that's wrong. As you know, there is no negative marking. You are not going to get any marks for this question. Question 2 for beta. Correct answer. Correct answer for this question is A1. And beta for you, question number 1 for correct answer is A1. They have given the correct answer 3. They have given answer 3, that is wrong. Okay. Beta, Team Beta for you. Question number 1. Identify the order for rotational symmetry for the given figure. The figure you can see above. Options are A1, B2, C3, D4.
The answer is C3.
Sorry, that's the wrong answer. An answer for this is A1. You're not getting any points for this. So next we have Team Gamma. Question for you. A quadrilateral having rotational symmetry but no line of symmetry is A. Square, B. Rectangle, 3. Parallelogram, D. Rhombus. Your time starts now. 20 seconds left.
The answer is a parallelogram.
Correct. Absolutely right. You got 20 points in your pocket. Next question for Team Delta. The letter Z of the English alphabet has A. No line of symmetry. B. 1 line of symmetry. C. 2 lines of symmetry. D. 3 lines of symmetry. Your time starts now. 2.5. D, 5. The time starts now.
The answer is A, 1.25.
Correct, you got it right. You got 20 marks. Next question for Team Beta. Be ready. A semicircular sheet of metal of diameter 28 cm is bent in the form of an open conical cup. Then slant height of the conical cup so formed will be A, 7 cm, B, 28 cm, C, 14 cm, and D, 3.5 cm. The time starts now.
The answer is C, 14 centimeters.
Correct, absolutely right. After that, you got 20 marks. Team Gamma, you ready for the next set of questions? If A's income is 10% more than the B's income, by how much percent B's income is less than A's income? A, 9 integer 1 by 11%, B, 10%, C, 20%, D, 19 integer 10 by 11%.
The answer is A, 9, 1 by 11%.
Correct. Agree. You got 20 plus points in your pocket. Next question for delta T. The ratio of the volumes of a cube of side 2 pi centimeter and a cylinder of radius 2 pi centimeter with height 6 centimeter is A, 1:3, B, 3:1, C, 2:3, D, 3:2. Your time starts now.
Option A, 1:3.
Absolutely correct. You got 20 points. Next set of the questions start from Team Alpha again. Be ready. Third question for this round is Team Alpha. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x squared divided by yz plus y squared divided by xz plus z squared divided by xy is option A, 0, B, 1, C, 3, D, 2. The time starts now. That is one of time, 17 seconds.
The answer is 3. C3.
Correct, that's it. You got 20 points again. Next question for Team Beta. Ready? The simplification of root 81 plus root 0.81 plus root of 0.0081 is A, 99.9, B, 9.99, C, 90.9, D, 9.09. The time starts now.
We believe the answer is 9.99. Option B.
Bingo, you got that correct. You got 20 marks. Team Gamma, for you, next question. Value of the given equation you can see above. A to the power x to the power a divided by x to the power b whole power a plus b into x to the power b divided by x power c whole power b plus c into x power c divided by x power a whole power c plus a. Options are A, 0, B, 1, C, x to the power a, b, c, and D x power a square, b square, c square. Time starts now.
The answer is option B, which is 1.
Perfectly said. Perfect. You got 23 marks again. Team Delta, are you ready for the next question? Your question is, if 3 cubes of h 2 centimeter each are joined side by side to form cuboid, the ratio of volume of cuboid and fluid is A 4:3, B 1:3, C 3:1, D 2:1. Time starts now. Perfect. Agree. You got 20 points in your pocket. Now, last set of questions for this round. Start from Team Metro again. Be ready. Fourth question for you. Sum of first 100 natural numbers are A 5000, B 5050, C 5005, D 5500. Your time starts now.
Option B 5050.
Bingo. Perfect. You got 20 marks. Rita, ready for the next question? Question is, the value of 6 divided by 2 times 1 plus 2. Options are A1, B9, C5, D9. The time starts now.
बैठना उधर इधर
The answer is option B9.
Perfect. You got it right. And you got 20 marks also. Next question for Team Gamma. Ready? We reached our destination at 2:45 p.m. after traveling for 3.5 hours. When did we start? A 11:15 p.m., 10:15 a.m., 10:15 p.m., 11:15 a.m. Your time starts now.
The answer is clearly B, 11:15 a.m.
Perfect. Got it right. 20 marks. Team Gamma. Last question for Team Delta. The sum of HCF and LCM of 45, 60 and 75 is A 315, B 960, C 915, D 630. Your time starts now.
The answer is option C, 950.
Perfect. You got 20 points. After the completion of round 2, let's see the scoreboard first. Team Alpha. Team Alpha with 120 points. Team Beta with 100 points. Team Gamma with 140 points. And Team Delta is leading with 160 points.
Yes, I want audience to be quiet. You are not supposed to answer or whisper the answer. Creates many problems. So just double it. Forgive, forget and forgive, solve many problems. A very mathematical morning to you all. I am Bharat Pindelwal, the quiz master of round 3. And this round is Peekaboo. As the name suggests, in this round, teams you won't get question directly on the screen, but in place of questions you will get some icons on the screen. And you will choose your turn by the check method. The team who will get number 1 on the check will pick the question from the screen first. This will be repeated 4 times. There will be 16 questions in this round. Each team will get 4 questions to answer. There are 20 points for each correct answer. No negative points. 1 minute time will be allotted to answer each question. Am I clear? Teams, show thumbs up. Great, good. Now, before I start, Keshav, can you bring a board and Team Alpha take one check from the board. Team Beta. Yes. Announce the number. Who got one number? Yes, Team Alpha. Give a big round of applause for Team Alpha. First question will go to Team Alpha. Who got number 2? 2 number Beta. Number 3 Delta. And number 4 Gamma. Yes, Team Alpha. From the screen, can we have a slide, please? Yes. Team Alpha, choose the number from the screen out of 1 to 4. Any one number. Say loudly in the mic.
4.
Number 4. Yes, who got 2 number on the check? Beta. Choose your number out of 1, 3 and 2. Number 1. Yes. Team Delta. Choose a number from 2 and 3.
Number 2.
Number 2. And the last number you don't have choice. Sorry. Your number is 3. Team Gamma. Now Team Alpha. You have chosen 4 number question. So the question will pop up from icon number 4. Can we have a question, please? Identify this mathematician. You have to name.
Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta is wrong answer. This is Brahmagupta. Now, Team Beta, the number you have chosen is number 1. Can we have a question under icon number 1? Icon number 1 question. Who is this famous mathematician? Team Beta. Audience, please keep quiet. Team Beta, waiting for the answer.
Aristotle.
Aristotle is the wrong answer. Correct answer is a Greek your turn. And the number which was chosen by you is 3. Can we have a question under 3 number items? Yes. Identify this famous mathematician. Switch on your mic.
We believe the answer is Archimedes.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. Good. A huge round of applause for Gamma. Yes, Gamma team. Can you share one contribution of this famous mathematician? It doesn't have any marks. 20 marks are awarded already to Gamma team for correct answer.
The principle of Archimedes.
Yeah.
One of his greatest wonders.
That is in the physics. In the field of mathematics, any contribution? Can we have? Actually, Archimedes, let me share. Archimedes gave the concept and the relation between surface and volume of the sphere. So there is a theory behind the surface area and volume of the sphere given by this mathematician Archimedes. Good. Now the last delta team, the number chosen by you was 2, isn't it? Okay, can we have a question under item number 2? Who is this man? Audience, maintain silence please.
The answer is Euclid.
Euclid. Yes, that's the correct answer. Yes, delta team, one contribution of this from this Euclid mathematician. Any one contribution in 9th class already you have studied some concepts. Don't worry, no negative marking for this.
He gave 7 axioms and 5 postulates.
He gave 7 axioms and students find very difficult to remember them, isn't it? Okay, now so this is for this third round we have completed with one part. In the similar pattern, we are going to have 3 more rounds. Each time there would be 4 questions on the screen and the same procedure will be followed by check method. You will get your chance. Yes, so have you all teams got your check? Yes, one number. Again team alpha. That's great. Number 2, beta. Number 3, delta. Wow, I think you are showing the same checks in the what you got in the previous round. Gamma. Okay. So alpha team, you got a number on the chart. Choose your number from the screen. Sorry. Fifth number, team alpha. 2 number. 7, team beta. Delta team. Out of number 6 and 8, choose anyone. 8 and gamma. No option. Yes, now first question goes to team alpha under item number 5. Can we have a question, please? If K denotes multiplication, B denotes division, T denotes subtraction, M denotes addition, then what is the value of 40, B, 8, T, 6, M, 3, K, 4? Your time starts now.
The answer is 11. The answer is 11.
Okay, sorry. Answer is 11 and that's the correct answer. 20.14 alpha. D beta. Your number? 7. Can we have a question, please? Pointing to the man in the photograph, Robert said, his mother has only one grandchild, whose mother is my sister. How is Robert related to the man in photograph? D beta. Can we have answer? No negative marking.
Brother-in-law.
Brother-in-law. Yes, that's the correct answer. 20 points for team beta. Next question, gamma team, number 6. Sir, question please, number 6. Find the wrong term in the sequence 120, 167, 286, 357 and 523. Bit challenging.
The wrong answer is the wrong term in the sequence is 120.
Sorry, it's the wrong answer. Now the next question goes to. Sorry? Correct answer is 523. Yeah, next team to Delta team. A question under item number 8. Inspector Jatin traveled from his police station for 400 meters. He then turned left and traveled 500 meters straight, after which he turned left again and traveled 400 meters straight. He then turned right and walked for another 600 meters straight. How far is he from the police station? Team Delta.
The answer is 1100 meters.
1100 meters. That's the correct answer. 50 points to Delta team. Now the same round is going to be repeated. Yes, Keshav. Start from Gamma team this time. All the very best. Yes, say the number quickly. Yes, kindly announce the number. Number on this? 3. One number, alpha. 2 number, 3 number, 4 numbers. That's great. Yes, team alpha. Choose a question from the screen out of 9, 10, 11 and 12.
11.
11. Yes, beta D. 9. Gamma. 12. Delta. Oh, sorry. First delta, your turn. Out of 10 and 12. Yes. 10. Yes. The first question goes to alpha D. Number 11. Sir, question please. In a cricket season, India defeated Australia twice. West Indies defeated India twice. Australia defeated West Indies twice. India defeated New Zealand twice. And West Indies defeated New Zealand twice. Which country has lost maximum number of times? Team Alpha. Audience.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. That's the correct answer. Points to Alpha team. Next question goes to Beta. Question number 9. A man is facing west. He turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction and then another 180 degree in the same direction and then 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. In which direction is he facing now? Time starts now.
Southwest.
Southwest. That's the wrong answer. Correct answer is southeast. So no marks for Beta team. Next question goes to Gamma. Question number 12. One day Ravi left home and cycled 10 kilometers southwards. Turned right and cycled 5 kilometers, then turn right and cycled 10 kilometers, then turn left and cycled 10 kilometers. How many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home? Team Gamma?
The correct answer is 15 kilometers.
That's the correct answer. 20 points to Gamma team. Last question to Team Delta. Question number 10. 6 students A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting in a field. A and B are from Delhi, while the rest are from Bengaluru. D and F are tall, while others are short. A, C, D are girls, while others are boys. Identify the tallest girl from Bengaluru. Team Delta. And audience, please.
The answer is D.
D. That's the correct answer. For Team Delta. We have ended
Mike, Mike.
Can you speak in mic, please? Team Beta. Yeah.
We tried the question, but we are unable to attend the solution. Can you please open the question?
You want question, but marks will not be awarded, right? You want question again? So your question was 9. Sir, please display 9th question again. You gave southwest, but the correct answer is southeast. Keshav, be ready with the ball. Start from Delta.
Sir, but the answer would be southwest only, I guess.
No, that's the wrong answer. It's the southeast. Vivek sir. Southwest is correct answer. Okay, sorry, Team Beta. Southwest is correct answer. 20 points to Beta team. Scorer can get 20 points. Yes, now the last round. Number 1, delta. Number 2, gamma. Number 3, beta. Number 4, descending order. Okay. So the first question, delta team, choose your number out of 13, 14, 15, 16. 13. Gamma.
We choose 15, the start.
Sorry?
We choose number 15, the start.
15. 1, 5. Okay. Beta. 16. And last 14 is for alpha. Yes. Now, team alpha. Your question is 14 number. Sir, can we have a question number 14? Team alpha. A sum of rupees 53 is divided among A, B, C in such a way that A gets rupees 7 more than what B gets, and B gets rupees 8 more than what C gets. What is the ratio of their share?
The ratio of A is to B is to C is 25 is to 18 is to 10.
Can you repeat?
Ratio of A is to B is to C is 25 is to 18 is to 10.
This is wrong answer. The correct answer is 23 is to 18 is to 10. So no points for alpha team. Next question goes to beta. Question number 16, sir. Sorry. We will look into this matter later on, okay? Choose the correct figure from the answer figure which will be next in the sequence.
The answer is 5th.
Answer is
5th option.
fifth option. That's the wrong answer. Correct answer is option number 2. Now next question is to team Gamma. Question number 15. Replace the question mark in the problem below with the correct number. Team Gamma.
The correct answer is 6.
That's the correct answer. 20 marks. Now the last question of the round is for Delta team, 13 number icon. Complete the sequence 11, 23, 48, 99, 202 and dash. Audience, maintain silence. Correct answer. 20 points for Team Delta. Now at the end of this third round.
So, can you please recheck our question?
Yes. That was question number 14, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Question number 14. Yes, you gave answer 25 to 18 is to 10.
Yes, sir.
We will check. If you find it correct, you will be awarded 20.
Actually, sir, we write the equation C is equal to X, and as you said, X is 10.
Yeah, okay, so let the quiz go on. We will discuss about it. Yes, at the end of this round, we are having the scores of leading team is Team Delta. Second, Team Gamma with 200 points. Then we have a louder clap. Team Alpha, third position, that is 160 points. And Team Beta at 140 points. Thank you. Now I hand over mic to Mr. Vivek for fourth round. Dinesh sir.
Good morning to everyone. I am Dinesh Oja, quiz master for round 4, that is fastest speaker first. The name of the round is self-explanatory. Let's see the rules for the round 4. There are 5 questions in all, plus 20 for given for correct answer and minus 10 for wrong answer. Each team is having mobile phone on the desk. Each team has mobile phone on their desk which act as a buzzer. The question will be displayed and the team who hit the buzzer first will get a chance to answer the first. If the first team give wrong answer, then the question will be passed to the second team who had pressed the buzzer second. It is a choice of the second team to answer or not, because if the answer is wrong, 5 marks will be deducted from the score, and if the answer is right, 10 marks will be added in the score. Now let's take a trial. For the functioning of a buzzer, I will ask one question and you have to press the buzzer. Are you ready? 2 plus 2. Team Beta. wasting much time, let's continue competition and hope for the best. All of you cross your finger, throw your tension and lead yourself for the win. Are you all ready, teams? Here is the first question. A wizard was on the way to his house and a few drops from his magic potion fell on a plant. Now the plant will double its size every day. It is growing in a circular pond with a circumference of 600 meters. The plant covered half the pond in 28 days. How many days would it take to cover the full pond? It's Dama team point. You have to press the buzzer for third time. You are on third position.
Press the buzzer, but before that, the
Dama team was there.
will not come to that who has pressed the buzzer.
Dama, your answer?
Our answer will be 29 days.
20 points in your pocket. Once again, you see that your net item is enabled on the screen. As soon as you press the buzzer, within fractions of a second, you have to answer. Question number 2. How tall is the table? Smita. Answer. Plus 20 in your pocket. Question 3. Last weekend, Amit went to an exhibition near his house. He rode his new bicycle gifted by his mother for winning the maths puzzle competition. After reaching the exhibition, Amit saw that there were 14 tricycles and bicycles in total. If there were a total 38 wheels, how many tricycles and bicycles was there in the park? It's delta. Answer.
10 tricycle, 4 bicycle.
Plus 20 in your pocket. Next question. Find the area of inner circle if the area of outer circle is 616 centimeter square. Waiting for the signal. Get your answers fast. Last 20 seconds. It's delta. Answer? Plus 20 in your pocket. Now last question of the round. Red icon is in Fill in the question mark. Team Delta.
25.
Plus 20. Now this is the end of round 4. After round 4, the scores of the team are as follows. Previous round, Alpha team has given one answer, that is 25 is to 18. 25 is to 18 is to 10. That answer was correct. Plus 20 is awarded for Alpha team. After round 4, Alpha team score is 180. Beta team 160, Gamma team 220, and Delta team 300. Hand over this mic to Mr. Vivek Pawar for round 5.
Sir, the ultimate measure of the student is not where he stands at the time of comfort, but it is measured where it stands at the time of challenges. I am Vivek Palwa, the quiz master for your final round, that is fast and furious. As the name suggests, this round is going to not only test your knowledge, but it is going to test your lightning speed of the calculation as well. So students, get ready for the rapid fire barrage of the questions. Every correct answers will inches you towards the victory, and every hesitation for your answer will cost you the ground. So without getting any delay, let's start with the final round of this Maths Pioneer, which will decide our city's first Math Pioneer. So the rules for this round are as follows. Each team will be asked questions for 90 seconds. They have to answer the questions. If they don't know the answers, they can skip the questions. The skipped questions can be asked later on if time permits. Every correct answer will be rewarded with 10 points. And similarly I said, if you don't know the answer, you can skip. But first of all the team members have to nominate one person who will answer the questions. The nominated person can discuss the questions with the rest of the team and they can answer the questions. If any of the persons sitting, if they want to say the answer, they have to communicate that answer to the speaker person. Am I clear with the rules? So let's start with the final round of the mathematics quiz, that is Math Pioneer. Yes, please.
Is there negative marking?
No negative marking for the rapid fire. Okay, so here goes the questions for the team Alpha. So team Alpha, the time limit is 90 seconds. You can answer as many as questions in 90 seconds. If you don't know the answers, you can skip the questions so that we can continuously keep on asking. After every correct answers, I'll say correct, right or wrong. Okay? Shall I start? If sin x is equals to 1 by 2, then cos x is
1 by 2.
wrong. Number of edges of octahedron is
5.
if the bases of a triangle is double and the height is half, then the area will be
Same.
correct.
The sum of n consecutive odd integers is
N square.
correct. The degree of a constant polynomial is
0.
correct. The square root of second set of questions. The ratio of 40 paisa to 4 rupees is
1:10.
correct. The convert 1:5 into percentage.
20.
Correct. 20% of what is 80?
400.
Correct. The side of the square, the side of the cube whose volume is 216 centimeter cube is
6.
correct. The number 1/150 is terminating or non terminating?
Not terminating.
Correct. The point of intersection of all the medians of a triangle is
Centroid.
correct. The square of 125.
15625.
Wrong. What is the first odd composite number? Correct. 1 meter cube is equals to how many liter?
1000.
Correct. Probability of 53 Mondays in a non-leap year?
1:4.
Wrong. Supplementary of a complementary angle of 60 is?
120.
Wrong. If two triangles are congruent, then they are always similar. True or false?
True.
Correct. The sum of ordinate of the points, 62% of 50 is?
31.
Correct. Which is the even prime number?
2.
Correct. Number of edges of pentagonal pyramid?
10.
Correct. The Roman numeral for 1000?
M.
Correct. 1 centimeter cube is equals to how many liters?
1 by 1000.
1 will be considered, that's the wrong answer. The distance of the point 3,4 from the origin?
5.
Correct. The centroid divides the median in the ratio?
2:1.
Correct. The probability of 53 Mondays in a leap year?
100%.
False.
1 by 7.
Wrong. If two complementary angles are equal, then each angle is?
45 degree.
Correct. The ratio of the perimeter of the two similar triangles is 3:4. What is the ratio of their sides?
Pass.
The equation of x-axis is?
Pass.
Two cubes having volume in the ratio 1:8. The ratio of their surface area is?
1:4.
Correct. Sin square x plus cos square 30 degree is equals to 1. Then x is equals to?
30.
Correct. How many questions for the team Delta? Let's start. The smallest two-digit even prime number is? Two-digit prime number is?
11.
Correct. Number of vertices of triangular pyramid?
6.
Wrong. New Roman numeral for 500?
Pass.
Probability of face card in a pack of 52 cards?
1 by 30. No, sir.
Wrong. Co-interior angles of two parallel lines and a transversal sum up to?
180 degree.
Correct. Diagonal of a rhombus are equal. True or false?
False.
Correct. Point of intersection of all the three altitudes of the triangle is called as?
Orthocenter.
Correct. Equation of y-axis is?
X is equal to 0.
Correct. The height of the cylinder is double and its radius is half, then the volume will be?
Half.
Correct. If sec x minus tan x equal to 2, then sec x plus tan x is?
1 by 2.
Correct. How many vertices does a triangular pyramid have?
4.
Sorry, this question is already repeated. Which are the first three triangular numbers?
Pass.
The ratio of the volume of the cylinder to the cone of same height and radius is?
3:1.
Correct. The square root of 0.0001 is?
0.01.
Correct. The area of the rhombus whose diagonal are 9.
Okay,
a round of applause for all the 4 teams. They have worked really hard. And all the performance of all the teams are very good. It doesn't matter if you got 40 marks less or 20 marks less. The fact that you are here, that is more important. Yes, I know winning does give more importance, but still, being here is great. So I hope nobody is going to lose hope, and then you with failures are the success steps also. So come out with more determination and don't get disappointed. So we are quickly going to announce the results. Did you enjoy all the other teams? At least you must have learned. If you have not enjoyed, one boy or girl said no. But if you are into the process, you will find that it is quite enjoyable when you come to know. And you people, I don't know maths much, but I'm sure you all know and you might be calculating on your own that if I would have it there, I would have answered maybe in less time what the teams took. I'm sure you must be thinking like that at that time. And if you were involved, then you must have enjoyed, I'm sure. Working is going on. So, may I request Principal now? Principal Mrs. Sarika Singh to give away the trophies, the school trophy, personal trophies and certificates to the